In this video, I'll show you exactly how to track QR code scans, who's scanning, where they are, what device they're using, and when they scan. You've got QR codes out in the world, but how do you actually know if they're working? To track QR code scans, you need a dynamic QR code. Dynamic QR codes are connected to an analytics dashboard that logs every scan in real time. You can see the total number of scans, unique scans, the time and date of each scan, the device used, and the geographic location, all broken down by city and country. The tool we're using is the QR Code Generator, or TQRCG. It's a free platform where every dynamic QR code you create is automatically trackable. No third-party integrations, no complicated setup. The analytics dashboard is built right in. The free plan includes 2 dynamic QR codes with scan analytics. No credit card needed. And if you ever need more, TQRCG has paid plans that grow with you. Here's how to set up and track your QR code scans from start to finish. Step 1. Sign up and create a dynamic QR code. To create a trackable QR code, we first need to sign up for or sign into the dashboard of the QR Code Generator. Go to the QRCodegenerator.com and click on the Sign Up Free or Sign In button in the top right corner. Once you have logged in, you will be able to see the dashboard. On the TQRCG dashboard, click Create QR Code on the taskbar and toggle on the radio button to Dynamic from Static. This is the step most people skip. If you created a static QR code, it generates 0 scan data. Dynamic is the only type that tracks. Choose your content type, a website URL, PDF, or any other format from the taskbar at the top. In this example, I will be choosing URL. Paste the destination URL in the Enter URL field. Your QR code preview will generate automatically on the right side. Step 2. Customize and deploy it. Once the QR code preview appears on the right, click Next. This opens the Design panel, where you can change the style. Choose from classic, rounded, thin, smooth, or circles. You can also adjust the color to change the code color, background for the background color, and squares and pixels for finer design control. Make sure you keep a high contrast between the code and the background for reliable scanning. Once you're happy with the design, click Save to confirm your customization. Step 3. Download your QR code. Once you click Save, a pop-up will appear that has your final QR code. Select your file format, PNG for standard use, or SVG for crisp scaling on large print formats like banners or billboards. Choose your image size, 1,000 pixels for digital previews, or 2,000 pixels and above for print. Hit download, and your QR code saves directly to your device. You can now place your QR code on packaging, flyers, posters, ads, or wherever your audience will see it. The more intentional your placement, the more meaningful your scan data will be. Step 4. Open the analytics dashboard and read your data. Head back to your TQRCG dashboard and find your QR code under the Active tab on the left panel. Click into View Analytics button on the far right of the QR code. A dashboard will open up. Here's what you can track. Total scans versus users. Users tell you how many individual people engaged, not just how many times the code was tapped. You can also see scans by device, so you know whether your audience is on iOS or Android. And you get geographic data broken down by city, country, and GPS location, which tells you exactly which locations or placements are driving the most engagement. You can now use the data to optimize your campaigns. If one city is driving 80% of your scans, focus your next campaign there. If scans spike on weekends, schedule your next QR code push for Friday. If scans are near 0, the code might be too small, in the wrong location, or missing a clear call to action next to it. The dashboard tells you what's working, so you can act on it. A question that comes up a lot is, can I update my QR code after it's already printed? With the dynamic QR code on TQRCG, yes. You can change the destination URL at any time without touching the printed code. So if your campaign page changes or you want to A/B test 2 landing pages, you don't need to reprint anything. The code stays the same, the data keeps flowing, and you just swap the destination from the dashboard. So to recap, to track QR code scans, you need a dynamic QR code. Create one on the QR code generator, deploy it, and then monitor scan count, unique users, device type, and location right from the dashboard. Use that data to improve placement, timing, and content. The link to get started for free is in the description below. If this helped, hit subscribe. We cover practical QR code tips like this every week. See you in the next one.